Let's welcome Chandu, who is going to tell our history points, which includes Kakatiyas. Come on to the stage. Good morning, all. This is Chandu studying in 7th standard. Today, I want to explain about Kakatiya kings and the Kakatiya Kalatoranam. The Kakatiya dynasty. Who were Kakatiyas? In Indian history, especially in the medieval period, the Kakatiyas united the entire Andhra area politically and succeeded in imbibing a spirit of oneness among the Andhras. The Gundiyala was the founder of the Kakatiya dynasty. The Kakatiyas emerged after the fall of Western Chalukyas. How did the name Kakatiya got? The Kakatiya, the name Kakatiya come from their goddesses Kakati and another form of Durga Devi. And some historians say that the name Kakati arrived from the Kakatiyas belonged to the Kakatipuram. The first independent ruler of the Kakatiya kingdom, Prolaraju. Prolaraju was the son of Betaraju. He started his independent rule from Hanamakonda. The next main ruler of the Kakatiya kingdom, Ganapati Deva. Ganapati Deva was the most powerful ruler of the Kakatiya Sovaisians. He had a title Mahamandaleshwara. His period is called Golden Era. The next main ruler of the Kakatiya kingdom was Rani Rudramadevi. Rani Rudramadevi was the only lady ruler of the Kakatiya kingdom. She married Chalukya Veerbhadra, the ruler of Nirdaval. The Kakatiya Kalatoranam. The Kakatiya Kalatoranam was built by Ganapati Deva and his daughter Rani Rudramadevi in the 12th century. This is the Kakatiya Kalatoranam. The Kakatiya Kalatoranam, also known as the Warangal Gate, is a significant historical and cultural symbol of Warangal, Telangana, and it represents the region's rich heritage and it's featured on the emblem of Telangana, showcasing its importance to the region. Importance of Kakatiya Kalatoranam, symbol of the Kakatiya dynasty. The Kakatiya Kalatoranam was arch built in the 12th century during the Kakatiya rule is a testament to the architectural prowess of the dynasty. Cultural heritage. The Kakatiya Kalatoranam embodies the achievements of the Kakatiya kingdom. Emblem of Telangana. The arch on the Telangana state emblem is a symbol of the state's identity and heritage, reminder from the past. It was the glorious past of Warangal and the Kakatiya dynasty, inspiring essence and pride of Warangal. Thank you all.
That was simply super. Put your hands together for him.